service. To give you update, I told you that I'm going to immigration office to renew my Nigerian passport, but actually I did not make any video again because the kind of I have to gist you what happened. We really went there. They asked me if I have NIN, and I told them that I don't really know if I have NIN or I have because that's NIN, just like a new thing. Like, I don't know whether I have it. Last time I went to Nigeria was 5 years ago, 2020, and that was before the pandemic. I can say during the pandemic because immediately we landed with my family, and there's no more flying back or coming back or going front. So we stayed there for 8 good months. My husband escaped and go first after 6 months. Then I and my children stayed like till 8 months before he went back, and they purchased another plane ticket before we could come back. So I don't know if I made a NIN or not. So I asked them, I don't really know, because they asked me to bring my NIN. So they said that they have to do another. So today they asked me about the VIN, and I gave it to them. So they now do another new NIN for me. When my people, to be frank, we stayed there for almost 3-4 hours. They said their server is not going, there no service, no internet. They have internet problem. So there's one guy like that called me and the other 2 women. I asked us that they have to another station. Let me not to talk much. They transfer us to another station where we can do it fast because their server is not going faster. So immediately they took us there, just like 4-5 kilometers away from where we are doing it in a passport office. Okay, when we reached there, the guy just did it in so fast. Before 1 hour, 3 of us, we have already finished our NIN. Then they said it's 7,000. We gave them 7,000. I later give the guy another 2,000. Say, take this to drink. Thank you for bringing me here. So guys, now what I'm waiting now is the NIN. Then we have to go back to where we are making passport. So the guy helped us and said, I will be coming back. He will call me when my NIN is finally out. Maybe 2 days. He's going to fast forward it so that it's going to come out fast, so that he can do my passport. So guys, it was so stressful. I don't even remember to make videos again and the rest of the thing. So that is how we went today, guys. I pray that this calling of coming to do the passport will come fast. I can make a video and show you guys. And after snapping for the passport, the time of taking, maybe I have to make a video. So this is how we went. I say, let me just come and give you briefly how the thing went. So in NIN, they snapped me, the fingerprint and everything we did. So I'm exhausted, guys. Let me just go and rest. We came back around that kind after 4. What we left around that kind, 12 o'clock. So we came back around after 4-5 o'clock, guys. So the thing really took our time. Where we say we are going to go today, we didn't go. So tomorrow we are going to go to ShopRite. Is this ShopRite? My husband wants to take the children to ShopRite for them to go and see how Nigeria's ShopRite is. If I didn't get the name, correct me, please. So tomorrow I may take you to the ShopRite, and also as well take you to other things we're going to go. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. share this video, like it. God bless you. So after we came back from passport office, we are too hungry, and we bought plantain, roasted plantain, yam, and sweet potato. Here I'm showing you. We are eating it together. Yam and plantain came inside our room, and we are eating together. So this is behind the scene, brought to the end.
Care to share why she was instructed that?
Thank you.
Product review. All in Chikwado's
Just don't do
This is native food from Nigeria. With they put sweet potato. This one here is just to tell you, this is our German pass. You can see here it is six German pass here. One for me, one for my husband, and the other 4 is for my children. We have German pass, and we came with visa. And this visa, they said after 1 month, after 30 days or 31 days, the visa will expire. According to the law in Nigeria now, this visa, and we had tourist visa. That is what we traveled with. They said after 30 days, after 1 month, this visa will expire, and we have to renew another thing. They said we have to pay for a lot of money. We have to pay or to pay for this remaining 3 days or 4 days, 4-5 days, because we're going to come back on 1st September. So they said we have to pay after 30 days or 31 days. We have to pay for 1, 2, 3, 4 the 5-6 days before they can allow us to travel. I say what? Because we don't have Nigerian pass. So, but me, I have Nigerian pass and I have dual pass. I have Nigerian and German pass. Guys, have you heard about it? This is a new law now in Nigeria. So what we did today, as we went to, they have taken light, guys. Sorry for that. That is Nigeria for you. Let me just be talking. Maybe they will bring light again. So this is actually where we lodged in the hotel, where they here. And this hotel, they've been giving us license 2 days. We came here a day. Sorry, we are here, and they have not taken light and stayed to this extent. I don't know what they are still waiting. They used to take and bring it immediately with the generator. When the NEPA take the lights, they will use the generator to replace it. I don't know why they're still waiting for this a minute. I hope they will bring. And let me just continue talking here. So what I was saying, don't go away, please. Just wait. They will bring it. I just want you to see the amount or the extent they stay. In case if you want to stay in this hotel, you will now know that this is how the way they do their things. And I will not skip this video. I'm not going to edit it. This video is unedited. So let me be talking. Now you can hear my voice. Maybe you cannot see my face. So these people asked us that we have to pay for this remaining 6 days before they can allow us to travel. Okay, today my husband paid for it for all of the 6 because I came with a German pass, so I have to go back with the German pass. So still, I will still renew my Nigerian pass in case of next time if I want to travel. So guys, you can see they have brought the light, so you can see how many seconds or minutes it took them to bring it. So this is the Nigerian German pass we travel with. For people who don't know, I have my German pass for more than 10 years now. My children have them in their own immediately. You know, they are born here, they have their German pass. My husband have German pass long time ago, so he's the one that gave us the German pass. My German pass didn't even stay long at all. Immediately I have my BIs, then I was even working. Then they check I don't have any problem, my husband don't have any problem, and then they issued me German pass. Since then, and during that time, someone can have dual pass, and you can have German and have Dutch Nigerian one. So I asked them that I want my Nigerian passport, so I have Nigerian passport and my German one. So guys, what I was saying before the you can see NEPA have taken the light again. Okay, it have come. That is how they're doing it, yo. Coming and going. So I'm not going to edit this video. I'm going to leave it for you to know how the Bruno hotels and suits do give their light. They are trying anyway. Let me not to digress. So what they say we are going to pay. This is new law now in Nigeria. If you come back to Nigeria, you're not a Nigerian, or you come with visa, you are not going to stay more than 1 month unless you have another visa. I think they have another visa that you can have for 3 months. Like if you are coming to Germany, they will give you 3 months visa, and after 3 months you must go back. If you didn't go back, if they throw you out, you cannot come back again. So it's like Nigeria have gotten that kind of thing. So now we have paid for these few days that exceeded from our staying here for 1 month. So guys, let me just stop here. I'll be telling you the details in case if you want to travel. If you're not Nigerian, or if you're Nigerian, what is obtainable. So for you, if you're Nigerian, if you have Nigerian pass, better have Nigerian pass and travel with your Nigerian pass. You don't have problem. Like me, whenever I'm going to travel, I'm going with my Nigerian pass. If I am travel alone, I will travel with Nigerian pass, and I come back with my Nigerian pass. I don't need visa. I don't need to extend my stay. I don't need any waro. The problem there, green pass is giving problem, but nevertheless, it's better to travel than having other passport that is not from Nigeria. So guys, this is what I want to inform you. Get ready. If you have any question, also ask in the comment section. Maybe I did not tell the story, all of them. If you have any question, ask and I will answer in the comment section. Peace out. I will now go to take my bath this night. This night here.